Welcome to the topic on creating and using components. 1. Creating a new component. 2. Component selector and template. Each component is associated with a unique selector, which acts as a custom HTML tag. To use a component in a template, you simply add its selector as an HTML tag, and Angular will render the component's template at that location. 3. Component data and properties. Components can have properties that allow them to receive data from parent components. You can use input properties to pass data from parent to child components. Input properties are defined using the inputs decorator. 4. Component output and events. Components can also emit events to communicate with parent components. You can use output properties to define custom events in a child component and listen to these events in the parent component. Output properties are defined using the output decorator and event emitter. 5. Component lifecycle hooks. Angular provides several lifecycle hooks that allow you to perform actions at specific points in a component's life. For example, you can use nggonini to initialize data when a component is created, and ngdestroy to clean up resources when a component is destroyed. 6. Component communication. Components can communicate with each other using parent-child relationships or through services. Parent components can pass data down to child components using input properties, and child components can emit events to notify parent components of changes. 7. Using Angular built-in components. Angular comes with a set of built-in components that you can use out of the box. These components provide common functionality, such as forms, navigation, and data display. 8. Reusing components. One of the key advantages of using components is reusability. You can create a component once and use it in multiple parts of your application, making it easier to maintain and update your code base. Understanding how to create, use, and communicate between components is essential for building robust Angular applications.